Today's mail is tomorrow's pile. That saying was developed over 4 decades ago as I sat with people with their piles of paper trying to accomplish their work and enjoy their lives. Well, here we are 4 decades later, and in spite of the fact that we were told it was going to be the paperless world, it really isn't. There still is a lot of paper left. And in fact, it's now more challenging because we have the paper and the digital. My passion is helping people manage the information that comes into their lives, regardless of what the form is. Whether it's paper or digital doesn't make any difference. Whether it's information that comes in email, or whether it comes in the physical mail, or whether it comes in a text message. It is information that you need to make a decision about. Clutter is postponed decisions. But as my business partner, Andrea Anderson, told me about 15 years ago, Barbara, it's not enough to make a decision. You have to have a way to implement it. And that's what our company helps people do. If you are feeling overwhelmed with information, I invite you to have a conversation with me about what that overwhelm is, what's causing it, because it really is a symptom of something else. It's a symptom of what I call emotional and spiritual clutter. Our paper, our emails represent our hopes, our dreams, our fears, our intentions, and making decisions about them can often be very overwhelming. But it doesn't have to be, because we can look literally at the Word of God. We know that He says, "He who has begun a good work in you will complete it until the day of Jesus Christ." And that's what I like to help people do. I'd love to help you.